bird, it built his second breath. Now
all wounds.
I was 13 when the world gave up on me. No one said goodbye. No one came looking. I just disappeared. Into the trees, into silence. For days, I wandered with nothing but my name. Eli. Hunger was constant. Fear was worse. But the worst? Being invisible. Then, I found her. She was small, feathers ruffled, wings trembling, barely alive. I held her close and whispered, "It's okay. I know how it feels." And somehow, she stayed. I named her Nia. She was the only thing in that whole forest that didn't leave me. She followed me, sang to me, warned me when danger came too close. I shared my food, what little there was. She shared her song. We kept each other alive. When I wanted to give up, she circled above me, crying out until I stood back up. She didn't speak, but she knew me. She saw me, and that was enough to keep going. One morning, after weeks, maybe months, I saw a road and then headlights. A man stopped. He said, "Are you alone?" I looked at Naya, perched on my shoulder, and said, "No, not anymore." They gave me food, warmth, a bed. But I still remember the forest and the bird who stayed. Even in the hospital she came, perched by the window, still singing. Today I stand here stronger, but every word I say, every breath I take, I owe to her. I tell this story not for sympathy, but because I know someone out there feels forgotten, invisible. Maybe they just need their Naya, their reason to keep walking. I'm Eli, and this is how a little bird saved my life.
Okay, so we're ready for you. Good luck.
I walk through woods with no way home. Leaves beneath my feet, the sky unknown. 14 years, no hand to hold. Just hunger, wind, and growing cold. Growing cold. But then I saw you small and still, a broken wing, a softer will. I picked you up with shaking hands, and we began to understand. When the world forgot me, you remembered my name. A bird with no reason, stayed through the rain. No words were spoken, but I still knew you saved me when I rescued you. Nights were long and days were gray, but you would sing my fear away. We shared our crumbs, we shared the sky. You watched me live when I wanted to die. You'd sit beside me when I cried, and fly in circles when I lied, pretending I was strong again. But you could see beneath my skin. When the world forgot me, you remembered my name. A bird with no reason, stayed through the rain. No words were spoken, but I still knew you stayed when I needed you. They found me near a broken road. You sat beside me, silent hope. You saw a boy but never guessed a bird had built his second breath. Now I stand here on this stage with lights and cheers to heal the pain.